आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला। MDH।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for the debate.
Stray dog crisis as an epidemic breaks out over multiple dog attacks across the country. Do human lives matter less over love for dogs? At 8:30 p.m. this evening, for how long can elites get away with crime by using political clout? 114-year-old Fauja Singh crushed to death, while the arrogant MP MLA's son, who was seen ramming into police constable, is absconding. Can the rich and powerful get away with this? PM this evening, it's a massive row over illegal immigrants on electoral rolls from Bihar to Assam and the state of West Bengal. Who is shielding the infiltrators? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sucharita Kukreti. I am filling in for Arnab tonight. He's not here. The stray dog crisis in India is no longer just a problem. It has become a full-blown menace. With nearly 6 crore stray dogs roaming the streets of India, ordinary people face this threat every single day. And some pay the price with their lives. Just weeks ago, 14-year-old Nitin from Manikwar village in Rewa was walking home from school when he was bitten by a stray dog. His family rushed him to the hospital. He was given anti-rabies shots and they thought the danger had passed. But weeks later, Nitin began having violent tremors, and by the time he was taken to Rewa Medical College, doctors said it was too late. In Noida, a woman fell off a ramp in her society when stray dogs attacked her. In Karnataka's Chitradur, a young girl between 6 and 9 years was attacked by stray dogs. A shocking video has surfaced showing at least 2 dogs chasing the little girl. And this comes from a state where in Bangalore, the civic body sanctioned a 2.88 crore budget to feed stray dogs chicken and rice. At the end, the big question emerges, who is responsible? You won't believe this, but this issue now has become the #1 talking point in the nation. The matter even reached the Supreme Court today. On the issue of feeding dogs, even the Supreme Court today remarked, if you're so keen on feeding them, do it at home. And there is a reason for this alarm. In 2023 alone, over 30 lakh dog bite cases were reported in India. And in 2024, the number still stood at a staggering 22 lakh. What's worse is that 20% of the victims were children under the age of 15. We're all quite proud of India's statistics. But here is a shameful one. India now accounts for 36% of all rabies deaths globally, according to the World Health Organization. Now, this is no longer a rogue concern between animal lovers and those who've had the traumatic experiences. This is a public health emergency. The only question remains, which side do you stand on?
In high-rise societies, on streets, on main roads, it's become a burning issue of national safety. Watch these videos. A 3-year-old in Hubballi dragged and brutally attacked by 2 stray dogs. In Chitradurga, a 9-year-old attacked by stray dogs. She survived only after locals rescued her. In Uttar Pradesh's Greater Noida, a resident suffered spinal fracture after being attacked by dogs. The woman fell from a first-floor walkway as the dog charged towards her. In Porbandar, a 2-month-old baby was mauled and eaten by stray dogs. In Jalandhar, a woman is dragged, pulled and attacked by half a dozen dogs. Watch. In Indore, a college girl brutally attacked by 4 dogs. In Telangana's Karimnagar, a stray dog jumps towards a child and pins him to the ground. In Uttar Pradesh's Kushinagar, stray dogs come in a pack. They drag around and attack the child. Most of the victims in these cases are little children and women. "48 people have died in 2024 in dog bite-related cases. Yet, the biggest security menace in India remains unaddressed. In fact, Congress government in Karnataka is ready to spend funds to feed biryani to stray dogs. The top court has come down heavily and told the petitioners, feed them in your house or open shelter in your own house. Top court asked the petitioners whether they go cycling in the mornings. Try it one day and see what happens. In 2024, there were 1.7 lakh dog bite cases as per NCRB. 2024 records suggest there are 60 million stray dogs in India. It's a complete civic mess. But dog lovers compound the problem. But should it not be human lives over stray dog menace?
I am joined on the debate by Shri Vijay Goyal, former Minister of State and social activist. I'm joined by political commentator Lokesh Jindal. I also have well-known animal welfare activist Gauri Molekhi. Senior journalist Ravio Rodriguez joins us on the debate, and so does Adnan Khan, who's a well-known dog behavior specialist. And I want to start this debate by making it very clear that we do need a solution to this dog menace. And let me begin with asking you, Mr. Goyal, because when the Supreme Court today said, and I quote, that there is space for these animals, but no space for humans. Is it not speaking the language that I think a lot of people in India would want to ask and would want to question? They're really focusing on the menace that these street dogs have become. Mr. Goyal.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की
जी
इंटरवेंशन है और जो टिप्पणी है आवारा कुत्तों को लेकर, वो बिल्कुल सही है कि जो अपने आप को एनिमल लवर्स कहते हैं वो इन कुत्तों को गोद ले लें और अपने घरों में जाकर खिलाएं जाके, ना कि पब्लिक स्ट्रीट पे और ना कि किसी के घर के सामने। और ये समस्या केवल दिल्ली की नहीं है, ये पूरे देश की है जी। ये जो कुत्तों की आवारा स्ट्रे डॉग्स की जो अभी पॉपुलेशन है वो 12 करोड़ से ज़्यादा है और ये पूरे देश के अंदर फैली हुई है। और खाली इस सुप्रीम कोर्ट की नहीं, इससे पहले नागपुर, मुंबई, पंजाब, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, कई कोर्ट्स की जजमेंट्स आ चुकी हैं इसके बारे में, स्ट्रे डॉग्स के बारे में, पर कोई गवर्नमेंट सुनने को तैयार नहीं है। इसलिए जो सो कॉल्ड एनिमल लवर्स हैं इनकी संख्या बड़ी कम है, पर ये चिल्लाते ज़्यादा हैं। इसलिए हो ये रहा है कि ये जो स्ट्रे डॉग्स अटैक कर रहे हैं, आपको मालूम है दिल्ली के अंदर हर रोज़ 2000 बाइट के केसेस आते हैं, 2000 RML के अंदर लाइनें लगी हुई हैं जी, और कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं हो रहा। ये लोकल बॉडीज़ ने करना होता है और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की जिम्मेदारी है, पर लोकल बॉडीज़ ने जो अंडर OABC रूल्स वैक्सीनेशन और स्टरलाइजेशन करना है, उस पर हाथ झाड़े बैठे हैं। तो जो दिल्ली के अंदर अभी 7 लाख कुत्ते हैं, वो 60 लाख कुत्ते हो जाएंगे थोड़े दिनों के अंदर, और लोग देखते रहेंगे। हमारे पास हजारों, हमारे पास थाउजेंड्स फोन आते हैं इस बात के लिए कि हमारी गली के अंदर कुत्ते, आवारा कुत्ते, स्ट्रे डॉग्स बहुत ज्यादा हो गए हैं। कई लोगों ने अपनी गलियों का नाम कुत्ते वाली गली रख दिया है। वहां काम करने के लिए कोई आने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। इसलिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है, जिनको कुत्तों से इतना प्यार है वो गोद ले लें और अपने घरों के अंदर जाकर खिलाएं।
And what Mr. Goyal is saying is not an exaggeration by any point. Savio, you wanted to come in, but let me just read out the statistics to you. What he's saying is not an exaggeration. People have actually started naming the streets like that. Gauri, I'll come to you. Gauri, I'll come to you, but let me just tell the viewers.
Yes.
Let me just tell the viewers. Uttar Pradesh, stray dog goes out on a biting spree, attacks 17 people in an hour. These are recent incidents that I'm talking about. Karnataka, a 6-year-old girl was mauled to death by street dogs. Let me just give out certain incidents that why are we debating this tonight? In Madhya Pradesh, 6 people were bitten together by dogs. In Goa, a 20-month-old girl was declared dead in the hospital after she was mauled by dogs. Now, a 20-month-old mauled by dogs? Gauri, I really do not know. You have a right to fight for street dogs, but India is reporting on an average about 25 lakh dog bite cases every year. What are we going to do? Gauri.
To respond, Mr. Goyal has gone on for such a long time, uninterrupted. You have to give him some time now.
Go ahead, please.
So the Supreme Court heard a matter where the Honorable High Court of Allahabad specifically said that while people have the right to feed dogs, that is under the law made by the central government, it should be balanced so that people living in the neighborhoods are also not inconvenienced. Perfectly good order. And Supreme Court made a stray observation which has been blown out of proportion in the media. I would call upon the media to refrain from misinformation. On the other hand, the ABC program or the Animal Birth Control program is riddled with corruption. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi for the past 20 years has been conducting this program. Not a single project of theirs is recognized by the government of India till date. Not a single one of them. All of them are running in complete corruption. ये ABC करते नहीं है, सिर्फ ABC के बिल भरते हैं. They only, for instance, now Mr. Goyal, going by Mr. Goyal's survey report, which basically doesn't exist, but he's saying there are about 7 lakh dogs in Delhi. About 20 lakh dogs have been billed for surgeries. Where are these dogs that are being billed for surgeries? Surgeries ho hi nahi rahe. Then there's no ABC happening. Only ABC billing is happening, and Delhi is not the only one. It's happening across the country because there is no monitoring happening. There's supposed to be a central monitoring committee. It's according to the Supreme Court's order, according to the central government's own rules, that monitoring committee has not met ever. So if that monitoring committee meets, asks for compliance, checks on these ABC programs, then corruptions would go down and dogs will actually be sterilized. The population will come down, rabies will come down. Everything is all about...
No, but Gauri, let me just tell you, you are saying that this is responsible for the dog menace. That is precisely what you're saying. You're saying this is exactly what is causing the dogs to bite, to maul, to kill people, to kill children. I'm worried about those pictures that are running on our screen, Gauri. I'm worried about these pictures that are on our screen. And I think all dog lovers are free to go to court and debate this in the court there. But the common man will only debate on these pictures that are going on right now. These stray dogs, have they not become a menace? Savio is smiling there. Savio, I've been told that you are a dog lover. But what has the court said? Do you go cycling in the morning? Try it one day and you will find out what this menace is. Why will the court say that?
I do go cycling. 1 second. You know, the problem you guys are making it out to be is the dogs. The dogs are not the problem.
Okay.
It's managing the stray dogs that's the problem. So let the government understand the problem better. We're all blaming the dogs. The point of the matter is the dog's going to behave in the nature of the dog. What have we done as the government to ensure that the stray dog menace is taken control of? Where are the measures put in place? Mr. Goyal is talking about measures, but can he truly ask himself, have the measures been put in place? Have the measures in most states been put in place? Why are you blaming the dogs? The dogs are not creating themselves to be stray. We don't have a responsibility or a job for the dogs themselves. What have we done? Can you please look at the real figures? Yes, it is a menace.
Savio, let
Yes,
me tell you, Savio,
Yes.
there are these high-rise societies in Delhi, Mumbai, Gurgaon,
Don't blame the dogs.
where people are
Don't
ready to
blame
do
the
all they
dogs.
can to feed the street
Blame
dogs,
the
but they are not able to adopt them, take them home. My simple question is exactly what the court is asking. Why can't you adopt them and take care of them? You want to feed them and let them be on the street to attack
No,
little
I
children?
think the government
To attack little children. So if the government is not doing... Savio.
It's got
The onus for everything does not lie on the government. There are certain ownerships that need to be taken by citizens themselves and the so-called dog lovers.
we have been doing
The so-called dog lovers.
No,
Lokesh Jindal, can I get you into the
It's not wrong
debate?
to love dogs.
See, I am very clear. Savio. There are certain ownerships that need to be taken by so-called dog
There
lovers.
is no-
You
so the
cannot
ownership
stand for
is
dog
taken by-
rights and let them maul children. I absolutely understand you questioning the government, but there are certain things that you need to take care of. Lokesh, he's saying it's the government
Yes,
that is
certainly.
responsible. It's the government
A
that is
person who-
responsible. It all lies on their shoulder. Why are you making such a big hue and cry over these stray dogs?
No,
All the figures
if at
Joel
all
has
a
spoken are
person,
wrong.
if at all a person is feeding stray dogs and he is causing the stray dog population to grow, the person is also responsible for all the events that take place because
Exactly.
of the increase in the stray dog population. If this stray dog bites any person, recently we had a kabaddi player dying of rabies. We have seen individuals, small children mauled by the stray dogs. Then that person is equally responsible for this gruesome incident. In fact, I welcome the Supreme Court's judgment. The Supreme
Judgment,
Court
there
is
is no
absolutely
judgment
right.
to welcome.
And
Sorry,
when
there is no
we are
judgment to welcome. The Supreme Court just asked a question. It is not in any order. It's not recorded anywhere except
No.
by being blown up
See,
by
you're grossly
So there is no
mistaken.
judgment.
A person
Please go do
cannot
your homework
say
before you
as
come to a
right
TV debate. There is no
that he
judgment
can,
to celebrate.
at his own merry will, feed a stray dog. Feeding a stray dog
Feeding
is
a
not
stray dog or
person's
feeding
right.
a stray cow or feeding birds is something that Hindu culture has done for hundreds of years, millions of years.
No, madam,
we have
you're
lived alongside our
mistaken.
animals for whatever.
Hindu culture-
You just come back from
Hindu
some
culture
country
of,
and then you want all the
giving,
dogs out. No, that is
food to
part of
these
Sanatan
animals
Dharma
is very
to
different
actually feed
from the
whatever
manner in
animals
which
we have to feed.
These
That is
animals
part
are
of our-
being fed
part of my Hindu culture, part of my
irresponsibly,
culture.
and how these animals are causing immense distress to small
No,
children,
that's only,
old
no,
people,
there is no distress.
women,
It is basically
and it is almost
scientific
causing
to feed these animals and
deaths
keep
in
it
the urban
friendly.
areas.
Forget it. Forget anything that animal husbandry says. Forget the lover and hater debate. Just remember what the National Center for Disease Control has said about it. The NCDC has come up with a rabies action plan, national action plan on rabies control.
when there-
They
You
say
know
that
what,
only
Gauri,
animal birth control will
Gauri,
work.
I
But
just
whenever-
feel, Gauri, I just feel that you
epidemics
cannot
such
tell
as
this
swine
to
fever,
the mother of a
takes place.
20-month-old who was mauled by dogs, that this is what Sanatan Dharma
So
is
what do you
teaching
do? What do you do? If
No,
one accident
all
has
I'm
happened
saying
and
is,
going
can
to
you
cut
say
down
this to
7
the
lakh
mother of a
dogs,
20-month-old
animals?
who was
If
mauled
one
by
car
dogs?
gets in an accident,
The
do you
children
stop running cars on the roads?
who died
Of course
because
there
of
are
dog bites.
consequences. Of course
And these
there are
have been
consequences.
violent
But they
incidents.
have to be
When you
dealt
see them
with
on
in a
camera, you're
scientific
scared,
manner.
you're horrified.
Scientific
And
manner.
there are people living
Scientific
in
manner.
societies, in cities who are scared of seeing, they're scared of the sight of these stray dogs. What do you tell them?
Fine,
Sanatan
there is
Dharma is
no-
teaching
why not-
you
why not adopt
to
National
be
Center
feeding
for
them.
Disease Control has come up with a national action plan. Nobody reads it. Everybody who thinks, that they like
me-
dogs or
okay,
don't like dogs,
okay.
just start making up solutions on their own.
All right.
Please
Before I
and
go
read
to
the national
Adnan,
action plan.
before I go
That
to
needs
Adnan,
be
let me just
implemented.
let
The
me just
state
ask
governments
Mr.
and the
Goel.
municipal corporations have to be held accountable to the NAP, the National Action Plan on Rabies Control,
All
which
right.
only says that the ABC program has to be implemented. Have you ever bothered to read the DGHS, the Director General Health Services order, which says that every dog bite has to be recorded as pet dog bite or street dog bite? More than half the dog bites that are reported in hospitals come from pet dogs. Has any state even started doing that?
Let me
you
take
are-
that
you are
answer from
Because
Mr.
the
Goel.
central government's
Madam,
direction
No,
are falling on deaf ears.
Gauri
doesn't mean
Malekha
that
on
you
the
start
debate
shutting
says
the
that
dog.
the government is not taking action on
central
the
government has
directives that
done
have been put
everything
forth for
right.
them.
The central
The government is not
everything
acting.
right. Ministry of Health
And
and
they
Family
are
Welfare
responsible
has
for this
taken out
menace.
Scientific instructions given directions.
Right, let me take a reply.
again and
Let me
again.
take a response.
But states are
Mr. Goyal.
देखिए, मैं ये गौरी को चुप कराएंगे,
जी।
गौरी को 2 मिनट, गौरी हमें भी बोलने दो।
जी।
देखिए, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आज ये सो कॉल्ड स्ट्रीट डॉग फीडर्स प्रॉब्लम हो गए हैं जी। स्ट्रे डॉग से भी ज़्यादा ये प्रॉब्लम हो गए हैं, क्योंकि जब भी एमसीडी की गाड़ी या लोकल बॉडीज़ की गाड़ी पकड़ने आती है, तब ये लोग सामने आ जाते हैं कि इनको क्यों पकड़ के ले जाते हैं आके। उसके बाद जब भी इनका स्टेरिलाइजेशन वैक्सीनेशन का प्रोग्राम होता है, हम उसके लिए अगर प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डॉग्स की स्टेरिलाइजेशन वैक्सीनेशन होने चाहिए, तब ये लोग हमको डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए मीटिंगें आ जाती हैं। मेरे पास ऐसी बहुत सारी वीडियो हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात है, इनसे पूछिए, ये जो स्ट्रे डॉग्स की पॉपुलेशन लगातार बढ़ रही है और जो एनजीओज़ को काम दे रखा है, उसमें इतनी करप्शन है कि आपका स्टेरिलाइजेशन और वैक्सीनेशन नहीं होता। पहली तो एक प्रॉब्लम है, उसको ये गवर्नमेंट को ये भी लोग काम नहीं करना देना चाहते क्योंकि डिस्टर्ब है। दूसरा, ये रिलोकेट नहीं करना चाहते। एक अगर कुत्ता बार बार भी काट रहा है तो उसको अगर किसी शेल्टर में ले जाया जाएगा तो ये लोग आगे प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं कि नहीं, आप इसको रिलोकेट नहीं कर सकते, एबीसी रूल ऐसा कहते हैं। फिर एबीसी रूल्स के अंदर ये है कि आप सोसाइटी के अंदर इनको खाना खिला सकते हैं। सोसाइटी उसके अगेंस्ट होती है, आपस के अंदर झगड़े होते हैं, ये लिफ्ट के पास खाने को डाल देते हैं, बच्चे वहां पर जब आते हैं ये उनको काटने के लिए दौड़ते हैं। आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, स्ट्रे डॉग एक ऐसा एनिमल है जो अपना खाना खुद ढूंढ लेता है, उसको देने की जरूरत नहीं है। पर जब आप खाना उसको देते हैं तो वो उस जगह पे राइट समझता है, तो कोई भी आदमी आता है तो वो उसको काटने के लिए दौड़ता है। तो इनसे सबसे पहले पूछिए, क्या हम काटने वाले कुत्ते को रिलोकेट कर सकते हैं? क्या उनको किसी शेल्टर में भेज सकते हैं क्या? अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो टिप्पणी की है वो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। वो जजमेंट नहीं है, पर वो टिप्पणी है। वो टिप्पणी इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप जो अपने आप को एनिमल लवर्स कहते हैं, आप इनमें से एक भी कुत्ता गोद नहीं ले जाते, आप उसको घर में नहीं पालते, आप उसको घर में खाना नहीं देते, आप पड़ोसी के सामने डालते हैं और पड़ोसी झगड़ रहे हैं। मेरे पास हजारों कॉल इस बात के लिए आते हैं कि इसके लिए एबीसी रूल्स को भी चेंज किया जाना चाहिए। ये डिमांड लगातार आरडब्ल्यूएस कर रही हैं। मेनका गांधी जी ने जब वो मिनिस्टर थी, किसी तरह से लड़ झगड़ करके एनिमल लवर्स करके इन रूल्स को बना दिया था, जो रूल्स पब्लिक के अंदर आज सूट नहीं करते हैं। केरला गवर्नमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट में मूव किया उन्होंने कि हमको बताइए हम इन स्ट्रे डॉग्स का क्या करें, हमारे यहाँ इतनी बड़ी संख्या के अंदर हो जाते हैं। तो आप जानेंगे कि 2000 कुत्ते रोज दिल्ली के अंदर काट रहे हैं, ऐसे ही पूरे देश के अंदर हैं। पर दो तीन एनिमल लवर्स होते हैं, ये जाके केस करवा देते हैं। जो लोग स्ट्रे डॉग्स के ऊपर काम करना चाहते हैं या उनको हटाना चाहते हैं या उनका स्टरलाइजेशन चाहते हैं, दे आर द वन जो उनको डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, एमसीडी के लोगों को, गवर्नमेंट के लोगों को। इसीलिए
आप जो बात
टोटल मिला के एफर्ट होने चाहिए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट।
मुझे लगता है कि इस पर इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिएक्ट बिकॉज व्हाट ही इज सेइंग इज राइट. What will the common man do if somebody's child is bitten by a dog? What will that person do? They will try and lodge a complaint. They will try to raise this issue that the common stray dogs are attacking. What will they do? And if they do that, as Mr. Goyal is saying, there is an entire community that comes over and says you are attacking stray dogs. Now let me go to Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan, the statistics tell us that 20% of dog bites. Mr. Khan, 20% of the victims are under the age of 15. That very clearly shows that stray dogs are attacking children more. And that is the reason people and families are scared.
And senior citizens.
Mr. Khan.
पार्कों में लोग सैर करने नहीं जा सकते, बच्चे पार्कों में खेलने के लिए नहीं जा रहे, जो पार्क में जा रहा है उसके हाथ में स्टिक होनी जरूरी हो गई है, ये हालत है।
No, he's actually saying this because he's got a lot of complaints, Mr. Khan. It's understandable.
Right. No, I absolutely understand. I mean, it's very valid to point out that kids, children, and women have been targeted more because this is, from a behavior standpoint, a combination of pack mentality and chasing after any sound that is squealing, and जो भी उनको थोड़ा बहुत भी डर दिखाते हैं, anyone who's exhibiting any kind of fear and anxiety, the pack hierarchy kind of compounds over with them. The three things that we are ignoring time and time again that don't necessarily directly related to animal issues, one is the littering and the garbage. That for sure is a municipal problem. जहाँ पे भी littering being compound hoti ja rahi hai, बढ़ती जा रही है wherever there's so much garbage outside of the neighborhoods. The other thing is that there is so much urban development in places that used to be forests and wildlife, and animals used to exist well before greater Noida, new greater Noida for example existed. So un areas mein any new colony that is coming in, they have to allocate the budget for taking account of what number of strays that existed, and usse population ek bhi badhni nahi chahiye. The other question that I want to ask everyone, whether it's government or civilian or anyone on ground, all of these photos that we're sharing, obviously it's amplifying the dogs attacking the people. If we could have shared 4 videos of people burning a dog alive, mutilating an animal, 5 people murdering
can I intervene,
dog.
please?
Let me just finish.
Sir,
I didn't
you are
get a chance.
factually
Let me
mistaken.
just
Sir, you are
finish.
Lokesh, just let him complete.
Yeah, for sure.
Lokesh,
Let me just finish.
I've come to him a little late in the debate. Let him complete.
Yeah, the things that we're focusing on is essentially the animals, elements that are being enhanced. The point that I want to make is that all of these incidents, the kid obviously is being taken care of, but the animals have not been highlighted with the nearby authorities so that immediate rehabilitation and behavior correction can happen, and we can start making a nationalized database and profile of all of the incidents that are happening, not just in the news, but actually the dogs that are doing it, so that government assigned behavior specialists can come in and help with the rehabilitation. Yeah, sir, go ahead.
Okay.
No, see, first of all, let's get certain facts right. The rise in population of these dogs has nothing to do with displacement of forests and emergence of cities. In urban areas, there is usually a higher food availability, and this food availability is directly proportional to the increase in the dog population. There are drainage systems which give rise to a different form of an ecosystem, and which also enables necessary sufficient conditions for an increase in dog population. So first and the foremost, you have to understand that it's as much of a challenge. An increasing dog population is a challenge similar to rise in population of mice, rise in population of rats and other vermin and other forms of animals which can have a significant threat on human population. They are carriers of diseases, and they are responsible for epidemics and different forms of disease outbreaks. So having compassion for animal life is understood, but not at the cost of human life, sir. Secondly, when we are talking about municipal corporations, time and again we have seen in developed nations abroad also that there are interventions required to carry out sterilization as well as have the anti-rabies injections given to these dogs. Make sure that they do not bring about a harm to elderly, children and women. And if an individual recklessly indulges in feeding these dogs and causing an increase in concentration in a particular region, he is contributing towards danger to the life of the commuters in that region. I would say
to
that
actually get them
Okay, now
neutered
Gauri
also,
wants to come in.
because by making the dogs friendly, it becomes easier to neuter them and catch them for sterilization.
No,
It's
madam, what
by
are you
making
talking
dogs
about?
friendly that you actually
By
can
making
avoid,
dogs
and that's
friendly-
the science on which the
No, you-
NCDC's report is also. That's the science on which the central government's national action
But
plan
the
is
argument
based.
is bizarre.
How can you
The
just
argument
no,
is
there
bizarre.
a
No, but
scientific
you know,
body that has come up with a national
Gauri, what
action
is
plan,
what is
but you just
troubling
want to
for a
run
lot of
media
people
trials.
who are not able to relate to this love for dogs, and I think
So there is no love for dogs for any species. For instance, if Kenya has too many elephants, or if certain parts of America has too many
Wrong
wild horses,
comparison.
or if
Okay.
India has monkeys, for instance, which is again a problem. जब हम दूसरी species की बात करते हैं तो उसकी population control में हमें scientific measures use करने होते हैं. ऐसे ही बस हम उनको चौराहे पे खड़ा होकर जला नहीं सकते हैं. Which is why in 2001, 25 years ago, we came up with an animal birth control
you're
bill.
absolutely
Nobody
right in
was
saying
getting
that,
to it.
Gauri.
Now
But
again,
when there are
the
incidents
NCDC
where
has
dogs
said
are
that the
mauling and
only-
killing people, I think it is very understandable that even the so-called dog lovers should be siding with the people who are raising this concern. Because
No,
when
there is nothing as
no,
lover
because
and
because
hater.
there are,
These
as
are
Mr.
issues-
Goyal
these
said,
are
that there have been complaints where people have said that their children are being attacked, and the so-called dog lovers stand up and say that they will not let them be removed from those societies. Now this will surely lead to a further collision. This will lead to the debate going on. But people will be worried for their well-being and their children's well-being. If there are incidents where dogs are attacking, that means there is a tendency they are going violent.
Corporations and the state governments accountable for carrying out a good animal birth control program. Take the example of Lucknow.
Okay. Now,
Lucknow runs the biggest animal birth control center in the country and has done remarkable work.
I've already given you the figure for the dog population.
Birth control that there is now no puppy sighting, there is no lactating.
Gauri, I have already. This is exactly what Mr. Goyal was saying.
Everything has been resolved through a proper
the
program.
so-called dog lovers will fight it out to the end.
Why can't Tamil Nadu do that? Why can't Andhra Pradesh do that? What Lucknow, what UP and Uttarakhand have done, why can't it be replicated?
No, I completely understand. I completely understand, Gauri. You're saying that the government needs to do more. But what I'm saying is that what happens to the common people, they will also have to take onus. Everything cannot be done by the government. Mr. Goyal, is the government not doing anything at all? When I'm saying, Gauri, and I say this because the whole rabies epidemics has come into the foray. The country is responsible for 36% of global rabies deaths. And this is all happening because of stray dogs.
रेबीज का इलाज हमें टीवी पे लोगों से बात करके तो मिलेगा नहीं, ना ही सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस को रेबीज के बारे में, उसकी कंट्रोल के बारे में कोई बहुत ज्यादा ज्ञान है. वो ज्ञान सिर्फ एक ही बॉडी को है और उसका नाम है
मैम. नहीं मिलेगा तो इसका कोई सोल्यूशन तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना. सोल्यूशन हैज टू बी. हम सोल्यूशन की बात नहीं करेंगे क्या गौरी जी? We will have to find a solution, and that only happens through a debate or a discussion.
बता रहे हैं और मिस्टर विजय गोयल उसको डिसरिगार्ड करते हैं, तो इट रियली.
ठीक है मिस्टर गोयल, आपकी सरकारें कोई काम नहीं कर रही है डॉग्स के लिए, स्ट्रे डॉग्स के लिए, इज व्हाट गॉड इज सेइंग. अगर आप करेंगे तो दिस विल नॉट हैपन.
सालों में बजट हेड्स ही
नहीं बने. सो डोंट स्टॉप ब्लेमिंग द डॉग लवर्स.
देखिए
जी,
एक है सरकारें काम नहीं कर रही, दूसरी है सरकारों को काम नहीं करने दिया जा रहा. हमको यहाँ पर एमसीडी और दूसरे अधिकारी आके कहते हैं कि हमारे खिलाफ थानों के अंदर, पुलिस स्टेशंस में एफआईआर करा दी जाती है और हम पे गलत आरोप लगा दिए जाते हैं. इसलिए मेरा पहला प्रोक ये है, जब हम पार्कों में स्ट्रे डॉग्स को लेकर मीटिंगें करते हैं तब लोग ये डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, तो हम इनसे पूछते हैं आर यू अगेंस्ट वैक्सीनेशन एंड स्टरलाइजेशन? तो पार्क में तो अगेंस्ट होते हैं, प्राइवेट में कहते हैं जी हम अगेंस्ट नहीं हैं, हम स्टरलाइजेशन और वैक्सीनेशन है. तो ये सारे डॉग लवर से लिखवाइए कि आप स्टरलाइजेशन और वैक्सीनेशन के खिलाफ तो नहीं है. नंबर एक बात. दूसरी बात, ये अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर, ये सोसाइटीज के अंदर, ये फ्लैट्स के बाहर, ये वहां पर स्ट्रीट डॉग्स को खाना नहीं खिलाएंगे, ये तय होना चाहिए जी. इससे आधे से ज्यादा झगड़े कम हो जाएंगे. तीसरा, जो कुत्तों को रिलोकेट किया जाएगा तब भी ये उसके बारे में प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. जो काटने वाले कुत्ते हैं उनके ऊपर अगर एक्शन किया जाएगा तब भी ये प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. मैं आपको इतने केस दिखा सकता हूं जिन्होंने, इन लोगों ने, जो सो कॉल्ड डॉग लवर्स हैं या एनिमल लवर्स हैं, इन्होंने रेप तक के केस दर्ज करा रखे हैं थानों के अंदर. मैं आपको एक लंबी लिस्ट भेज सकता हूं, आप दोबारा बहस के लिए बुला लेना. और ये लोग 2-2, 4-4 होते हैं सोसाइटी के अंदर, पूरी सोसाइटी को कंट्रोल करते हैं. आप जब मेरे साथ चाहें सोसाइटी में चलिए, नोएडा की, गाजियाबाद की, दिल्ली की सोसाइटीज में चलिए, वहां लोग इतना परेशान हैं कि वो कहते हैं हम सुसाइड करने को तैयार हैं, इन स्ट्रे डॉग से हमने इतना परेशान है. तो इनको पूछिए ये स्ट्रे डॉग्स की वकालत करने के लिए क्यों खड़े होते हैं? एनिमल्स तो बहुत सारे मारे जा रहे हैं, उनकी तो वकालत करके नहीं कर रहे. बकरे मर रहे हैं, कट रहे हैं, उनकी तो ये वकालत नहीं कर रहे. ये स्ट्रे डॉग की क्यों कर रहे हैं? और ये क्यों नहीं उनको गोद लेते और क्यों नहीं उनको खाना घर के अंदर खिलाते? सड़क पे फेंक के चले जाते हैं. गंदगी भी होती है, हेल्थ को भी खतरा होता है और साथ के अंदर लोगों को बड़ी परेशानी होती है और झगड़े.
Is that a reason? What he's saying that you've allocated places, you are feeding the street dogs, they are running over everywhere, and that is making them a menace for societies. Does that happen?
Before I come to the feeding part, I want to take up Mr. Goyal's point about MCD going and उनको काम नहीं करने दिया जाता. I would, I'm not going to take any stand of for and against, because सबसे biggest problem यही है कि दो अलग-अलग extreme radical good बने हुए हैं, haters and lovers का. The only way to bring this together is people, all of them come together on the same page, because कटेगा तो ना उनका कोई religion देखेंगे, ना lover या hater देखेंगे. जब bite होगी या dog को hurt होगा, there is no religion or stand. So व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि अगर एमसीडी वाले जाते भी हैं, आई पर्सनली हैव सीन द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दोज गाइज, दे आर नॉट वेरीफाइड, दे हैव नॉट बीन फॉर्मली ट्रेन टू हैंडल एनिमल्स. बस उठा लिया जाता है, कोई भी बंदा जो कूड़ा उठाने वाला था, अब वो डॉग उठाने वाला हमने रख लिया. उनको कोई भी बिहेवियर ट्रेनिंग बैकग्राउंड नहीं है. मैंने खुद देखा है, टांगों से घसीट के उनके डॉग्स ले जा रहे हैं. तो डॉग लवर्स जो है, उनका कंपैशन उस टाइम पे आ जाता है कि जिसको हम इतना प्यार से रख रहे हैं, उसको अगर एमसीडी एक गवर्नमेंट बॉडी ऐसे घसीट के पटक के
बस
वैन में
इनको कोई बहाना चाहिए. देख लीजिए, ये मान रहे हैं ना, प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं ये मान रहे हैं, ये प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं जी. कुछ भी कहेंगे, टांग से घसीट के ले जा रहे हैं, इसके घसीट के ले जा रहे हैं.
बहुत ही बुरी हालत में हमने डॉग कंट्रोल को इतना लोएस्ट बजट और लोएस्ट रिगार्ड दिया हुआ है कि कूड़े उठाने की गाड़ी भी शायद ज्यादा साफ होती होगी डॉग उठाने की गाड़ी से. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू फोकस एंड एनहांस द बजट एंड सी इफ यू आर सेइंग,
इसका मतलब आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं ना,
आप बजट बढ़ाइए. आप
You agree that you are protesting of MCD action.
How USA, जैसे USA और UK और नेदरलैंड्स पैसे allocate करते हैं, आप उस लेवल के पैसे allocate कीजिए ना. Just because dogs vote नहीं कर पाते, उनका automatically right human से नीचे क्यों हो गया? Just because they don't have a vote. You push the budget, get educated guys to handle the dogs who have been trained and licensed, not someone who could have 3 FIRs of like, you know, addiction beyond them itself, कि भाई वो कुत्ते बस पटक के वापस रख रहे हैं because वो they don't have value for life. Let's try to get educated. आप नेदरलैंड या साउथ अफ्रीका
आप गलत कह रहे हैं. आप सिर्फ अपनी बात को करने के लिए पटक कर रहे हैं.
Nobody is supporting that kind of behavior towards dogs. Nobody is supporting. I don't think even Mr. Goyal will support it. But what he's saying is there are so many animals. And there are so many, and he's saying why this love only for street dogs? He's saying that love can come forth for a lot of other species, is what he's saying. And more so for your own species, for your own kind, is what he's saying. Now, I want to make this very clear. We're not against street dogs. We're not against any kind of, the debate might be, you know, the kind of point of view that you guys are keeping. We are not against street dogs, but it has become a full-blown menace and it needs to be addressed, is what I'm trying to say. Thank you so much for joining me on the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिर्फ जल जीरा मसाला. सिर्फ जीरा सिर्फ MDH का जल जीरा सिर्फ MDH का जल जीरा